Hey, Hawkbird, you sitting on the fence early in the morning? Walk over and see if I can look at him. What you doing up there? What are you doing right there? Hawkbird, what you doing right there? You having a good morning? All that wind got you looking around, ain't it? That wind blowing got him looking all around. You all right this morning? Don't attack my head like it's popcorn now. I can see you right. You look good looking, bird. You a good looking bird. I'm only about 8 feet from him right now. He was out here a while ago. I just stand here talking to him and all. And damn neighbors got those guineas over there. Them guineas are making a noise all the time there. And I'm about sick of those guineas. You doing all right? I'm going to leave you alone. I was just talking to you for a minute. I'll talk to you in a little while, okay? I'll talk to you later on. Bye.